Dear friends, welcome to Learning English with Captain Binoy. In fact, everybody wishes to have a very good personality. And you know that the personality of an individual is the overall performance of an individual. The way he behaves, the way he conducts himself, the way he talks and does things. And of course, life skills have a lot to do with the personality of an individual. And life skills, of course, include a lot of skills like vocation skill, communication skill, functional skills, all this. And, and now, of course, we are speaking about communication skills. And I'm sure everybody wishes to communicate very well. Everyone wishes to speak as many languages as possible. And let me just tell you all, my dear friends, it's really very easy for us to learn any language. And it is with hard work. Life skills are acquired through patience and practice. I repeat, life skills are acquired through patience and practice. And communication skills, especially speaking English. Speaking English is also acquired with rigorous practice, rigorous training, and it is with patient perseverance that one become fluent, proficient and efficient in the English language. And I am sure if you join me, if you cooperate with me, I'll help you masters of English. And remember, English language is a very easy language. When we compare this language with many other languages, it's a very easy language. And we have to use the language in all our life activities, all the activities of our life. Whatever you do, whatever you speak, whatever you dream, whatever you think, must be in English. Today we are learning English through little bit of cooking. And I am not doing much cooking here. I'm not doing any great cooking here. I'm doing just simple cooking, that is of course making passion fruit lemon honey juice. Okay, so me and my daughter Angeline is here to help you all how to make passion fruit lemon honey juice. And this particular session, we are helping you learn how to make such a wonderful, delicious, sumptuous drink, juice, passion fruit lemon honey juice. Along with this, you will be learning a lot of spoken English. Alright? And welcome once again to Learning English with Captain Binoy. We are making passion fruit lemon honey juice today. Okay, let's see what all ingredients we need to make this great juice, passion fruit lemon honey juice. I am just going to introduce the main ingredients required to make this great juice, passion fruit lemon honey juice. Alright, I have all the ingredients on the table in front of me. The most important ingredient is the very wonderful, mellow, juicy, greenish looking ripe passion fruit here. Look at this, right? This is the ripe, mellow, juicy, wonderful passion fruit. You know, passion fruit has a lot of medicinal qualities, and we are using this. It has a lot of medicinal abilities or condensed in it, and it is used for many to cure many diseases, especially patients suffering from dengue fever, patients having some lesser platelet count in blood, count of sperm, for many other reasons. Of course, passion fruit is medicine, and we are using. I have collected it from my own farm. I have there is a huge jackfruit tree in my backyard, and that tree is all the huge branches of the tree is covered with a lot of vines of the passion fruit, and all the wine of the passion fruit is completely covered in mellow ripe fruit like this. I collected a bit. I just wanted to help you make such a healthy drink, and this drink will of course help make you of course help you to have a lot of immunity. And if you have of course good health is wealth, you have to understand that fact. And you also must understand the fact that this year of course we have a motto like Fit India. Everybody in the country must be physically fit, so we have to take a lot of exercise. Besides that, we should have of course a lot of very healthy drinks like the passion fruit lemon honey juice. And this is the very first ingredient. The most important ingredient is the passion fruit collected freshly from of course our own farm. The second ingredient is the I collected from the jungle of Wayanad forest. It is of course I got it from one of my friends in Wayanad. The indigenous people, the tribal people in Wayanad, they are just depending on the very resources from the jungle. And of course these people, the indigenous people of Kerala, especially in the jungle areas, they just go to the forest and they collect the Adivasi people. And my friend in Wayanad collected this forest honey from some of these people, the indigenous people there, and we are using this beautiful, wonderful, pure honey to make this wonderful drink, passion fruit lemon honey juice. And the third ingredient we require is the lemon. We need to add some lemon, and you know lemon has a lot of citric acid in it, and it has a lot of medicinal capacities, and we are adding the lemon of course into the juice. And we also add you have to understand one fact, that the juice of passion fruit is rather soury, and of course we need to add some sugar as well. And I have sugar here, and now of course we can add enough water. If there are 4 members in the family, the entire juice may not be enough, right? So we can add as many water as possible. All right, of course in fact I have 7 passion fruits here. Of course into the juice of these 7 passion fruit we can add 2 glasses of water, and I have just boiled water here. I cooled it. It is cool water. It is of course boiled initially, and now it is cool. We are adding this water. So these are the ingredients required for making the passion fruit lemon honey juice. Now of course we begin the task right now. We are collecting the juice of the fruit right now, and it is ripe enough. Look at this juice. This is the juice we require, and we are collecting it. Okay, we are collecting the juice. All right, this is the very juice I have been speaking about. This is quite good for health. And you have to understand that inside the outer gourd of the passion fruits we have a pouch, and in the pouch is of course the juicy seeds of the passion fruit, and we are just collecting it. And it is of course, as you just collect the juice, you can of course perceive a wonderful fragrance. The passion fruit is having a wonderful fragrance, and the very fragrance is just getting into your nostrils, and you have so much of great desire to of course taste a little bit, but we are not tasting it right now. We'll wait for some time. We'll make the juice, and yes, we will have the drink afterwards. Yeah, it can also be eaten. The fruit can be straight away eaten. Of course we can open the fruit and take this juicy inner seeds from inside, and we can just eat it. Now we are just collecting the juicy contained inner essence core from each of the passion fruit. This pouch is of course edible. There is nothing wrong in eating the pouch, but we are not taking it. We just want to make this juice as tasty as possible. So we are not taking the pouch which is inside. So there is a small part of the pouch in the bowl. We are not taking it, right? So we have to collect the juice from all these fruits. There are almost 7, and yeah, let's just collect it. It is really very, very wonderful and ripe and soft and mellowish. Really looking quite good. We have collected the juice from inside all the 7 fruits. The fruit is ready. Now of course we have to add the ingredients to the juice. I am adding 3 spoons of honey. This honey is of course going to make the drink all the more tasty and delicious and sumptuous, and it will be just taking away a little bit of sour of the passion fruit, and the medicinal quality of both the passion fruit juice and the honey will be giving a lot of energy and of course a lot of strength and refreshment and rejuvenation to the person who is just having it. Now we have to add some lemon juice. We have of course 2 lemon here. I'm just adding the juice of 1 lemon, and that's enough, right? So otherwise it will be just having too much of sourness. We are just having the juice of 1 lemon. We are adding it into it. I'm just squeezing it here, the lemon squeezer. Yeah, okay. All right, we are just having the lemon. We are just stirring it. We have to stir all this, the honey, the passion fruit juice and the lemon very well. We are just stirring it, and into this of course we are adding little sugar. We have to add some 2 spoons of sugar. All right, so that it is of course tasting very, very sweet and wonderful. Yeah, please stir it, my dear. Yeah, all right, I'll stir it. So we have to stir it very well so that the crystals of sugar is just getting dissolved very well in the, yeah, this is just honey. This is just honey and sugar juice, I'm sorry, passion fruit juice and of course lemon together. So now in the bowl we have passion fruit juice, honey, sugar and lemon, right? We are just mixing it very well so that it's very tasty, very delicious, wonderful. And now of course I'm pouring some water because all the members of the family, 4 or 5, if there are 4 or 5, everybody can have 1 glass of this great drink, that is the great passion fruit lemon honey juice, right? It is getting ready here. Look at the color. This color is the color of the juice of the passion fruit and the honey, and it is looking quite, and now of course I can perceive the wonderful fragrance. All right, now I think it's almost ready. The honey, the sugar and everything has just, even the very passion fruit has just dissolved very well, and it has become a wonderful drink. And now of course, right, summer season, anybody who drinks it in the daytime of course will have a lot of refreshing and rejuvenating experience, and this drink is just going to give them so much of enthusiasm. All right, now of course I'm just me and my little daughter Angeline is going to taste this wonderful drink here. We are just taking it. Okay, it is, the very fragrance of the juice is spreading all around, and I feel very, very eager to have the drink. So nice. You want a little more? You want a little more? This is enough? Okay, hold it. You can just hold it, or you can drink it, right? Drink it, right? Drink it. Okay, how is it, my dear? How is it?
Tasty.
Tasty? Is it really good?
Yes.
Like it? How does it taste? Is it tasting the passion fruit, or is it tasting the honey? Do you taste all that? How do you taste it? Good? Very good? Yeah. Okay, dear friends, I'm just tasting it, right? Let us see how it tastes, right? I have just prepared it, and now I'm just tasting. Oh my God, it's really wonderful. It's really very delicious, and some she's right. I can feel the very taste of the honey. The taste of the honey is just dominating a little bit, right? And of course, we have the taste of the passion fruit, and we also feel the very taste of the lemon there. And beautiful. It's so lovely, lovely, tasty. Okay, yeah, it's just. I feel like I'm drinking something heavenly. Oh my God, so delicious it is. So, my dear friends, please, everybody, please have a sapling. Just buy a sapling of passion fruit wine and just plant it somewhere in your front yard or backyard, in your farm, and see that you are just using it, because it's very good for you, it's very good for your health, it's very good for the health of your family, it's good for children, it's good for patients, and it is of course right increasing your strength, right? It's rejuvenate you, it will refresh you, it will strengthen you physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically. All right, so tasty, so tasty. All right, so this is one of the wonderful drinks I have to recommend for you. Just make it, drink it, remain very healthy. Now of course, through this particular process of making this juice, we have learned a lot of expressions from English. We learn new words like sumptuous, delicious, rejuvenate, enthusiasm. Okay, dear friends, in your day-to-day life, while you are cooking something, while you are just cleaning your front yard or your room, whenever you do something, use English and learn new words, right? So these new words you have to use, right? When you just take some food for at home, your mom is serving you some food, you say, "Oh, mom, it tastes good. It is delicious," right? So such a way you can learn a lot of new words, and we come to the end of this session. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. If you like this particular session, you like learning English with me, and if you like, of course, this particular way of making this passion fruit lemon honey juice, okay, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and of course, improve your English and be a role model and be a leader. May God bless you. Thank you very much.